Thinking about launching a manufacturing company, logistics operation, or a cost-effective SME in the UAE? Then you need to know about RAKEZ, the Ras Al Khaimah Economic Zone. In today's episode, we'll explore why RAKEZ is one of the most versatile and strategic free zones in the country, especially for businesses looking to grow without breaking the bank. Hi, I'm Richard Kupche from Safari Star. We've supported hundreds of entrepreneurs and SMEs across the UAE, and RAKEZ is one of the zones we keep coming back to. Not just for its industrial capabilities, but for its long-term business value. Let's dive into what makes RAKEZ such a powerful option. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a single update from our series. We publish detailed practical guides to help you set up and scale your business across the Emirates. And you won't want to miss what's coming up next. RAKEZ was established in 2017 by consolidating two major zones, RAK Free Trade Zone and RAK Investment Authority. The goal was to create a unified platform that could support businesses of all sizes, from freelancers and consultants to full-scale manufacturers. Located in Ras Al Khaimah, just an hour from Dubai, RAKEZ offers low setup costs and access to a wide range of facilities including industrial land, warehouses and commercial spaces. The broader vision behind RAKEZ is to attract international businesses while simultaneously strengthening the economic development of the Northern Emirates. RAKEZ is particularly attractive for companies operating in manufacturing, logistics and trading sectors, as well as import-export, construction and heavy equipment industries. That said, its appeal is not limited to heavy industries. With its variety of office types, including flexi-desks, standard offices and large warehouses, RAKEZ also welcomes media professionals, freelancers and small service-based businesses. Whether you're a remote startup or a growing enterprise, the zone's flexible visa packages and infrastructure make it a viable and cost-effective solution. What makes RAKEZ stand out from other zones is its blend of affordability and scalability. It's widely recognized as one of the most cost-effective free zones in the UAE. RAKEZ provides access to industrial land and warehousing at highly competitive lease rates, making it an ideal choice for businesses with physical operations. The zone is strategically connected to key logistic hubs including the RAK port and the Sakar port, and is conveniently located along major UAE highways. Add to that a business-friendly environment that includes fast licensing, multilingual support, and scalable packages, and you've got a zone built for growth. One of RAKEZ's greatest strengths is its ability to offer global accessibility while retaining a strong local infrastructure. Companies operating from RAKEZ benefit from a full foreign ownership and 0% income tax, provided they comply with the free zone regulations. Its location near Saudi Arabia and access to regional trade routes make it an ideal base for companies looking to expand their international presence. On top of that, RAKEZ has built a solid partnership with banks, logistics providers, and business advisors, which simplifies the often complex post-setup phase of doing business. RAKEZ is especially suited for founders who are launching operations with tight budgets, for manufacturers needing reliable industrial infrastructures, and for exporters who require easy access to ports and shipping routes. It's also a strong option for startups that want to scale sustainably without the overhead of being based in Dubai. The zone's blend of affordability, infrastructure, and access makes it more than just a low-cost alternative. It's a launchpad for long-term success. Thanks for watching. I hope this gave you a clear overview of why RAKEZ is one of the UAE's most strategic and affordable free zones. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming guides. Coming up next, how to set up a business in RAKEZ. Step by step, stay tuned, especially if you're ready to make the leap.